Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through an easy guide on how to find PayPal bank account statement. So to get started with that, if you're on the website version of PayPal, so just go to your browser, then log into your PayPal. Just go to paypal.com, then log into your account on desktop, then click on activities at the top menu, then use the filter to select the date range you want, for example last 30 days or last year. Then click the statement, which is at the top right corner, or scroll down and choose custom and select activities download, or choose PDF/CSV format. Once you're done, click create report or download. Then if you're on the mobile version of PayPal, open the app, then log and sign in into your account, then tap the wallet or activities tab, then scroll or search for specific instruction. So to get a full statement, tap the profile icon, then report or statement if available. Then tap to view, download or share your statement. Then you will get an official statement, PDF or CSV showing all transaction history, including the money in, out fee, transfer, just like a bank statement. And that's it. Find the video helpful, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.